Here I have Samsung Galaxy S9 and let me show you how to check IMEI and serial number on that device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's use the phone dialer to open the secret menu by using the secret code. So let's enter the *#06# and as you can see on your screen, the IMEI number and serial number pops up. You may also use the barcodes to these numbers. So let's tap OK to close this window. Now let me show you how to check out the serial and IMEI number by using the settings. So let's open the list of all applications, choose settings, scroll down to the bottom of the list, choose about phone, and here you can find the IMEI number right here and serial number. But you can also choose status, and here you can also have access to serial number, to Wi-Fi MAC address, IP address, and to IMEI information. So that's it. Now you can go back and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave a thumbs up under the video.